videos today I'd like to talk a bit about this T50 ARC from Volcano. So this speaker is a stereo speaker. It has like two full range drivers, two tweeters, and also has like power control on top, bass, treble and a volume button. The funny thing about the speaker is that if you remove this fabric cover, which is possible, you see the internal, and they have done this pretty nicely with this like wood color of material, with those cool drivers and the tweeters and everything. On the rear you also have like all possibilities of connection. So you even have of course HDMI, because it is a bit advertised as an HDMI speaker. And also optical, auxiliary, even TALP RCA cable is a possibility. So the fun thing about the speaker with this bass ports and also with this like bass option and treble option is that it has a very solid audio performance. Yeah, it doesn't have any battery, but that's also the reason why it has HDMI, because most people, if they use this for a TV for example, don't want a battery. Yeah, they could maybe have made one with a battery built in, but hey, the price is pretty low on the speaker, and for the price it has a very solid audio performance. So without further ado, here are those audio samples, enjoy them.
And I'm feeling like a man, everybody knows just who I am. It's a jam, party going up to the end. Everybody pulling out the cam, and they feeling like the fam. And I'm feeling like the man, everybody knows just who I am. Too hype in the party, too hype. Feeling like my birthday, I've been dancing all night with a bottle in my hand and a smile on my face. And we got a few more on the way, got a couple more on the way. Got a few more on the way. I feel incredible. Always put a good time on the pedestal. Only good energy in my vicinity. You feeling bad? I got the remedy and the revenue. Yeah, I got the potion. People flowing in, it's like the ocean. Popping all these bottles, man, we so good.
Don't win it. What you gonna do?
I see you with it.
Pop that.
Go. Now let me see you go. I see you with it.
Pop that.
Now let me see you go. I see you with it.
Pop that.
Go. Now let me see you go.